In this video, I'm going to show you how to add font in Foxit PDF Editor. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab over here, and of course you want to either add in some text, or you could just go ahead and of course select some text where you want to change the font. I'm just going to basically select this text, which I've written in myself over here. I'm going to select this, and there we go. I'm just going to go into the Edit Text option actually to allow me. There we go. And then here on the right hand side, you want to click on this arrow to open up the format, and in here you can see all the fonts. Now, in case you want to add a new font which isn't in here, you can also do that, but for this, it's going to be a bit longer of a process, but let me show you how to do this, okay? So the first thing you have to do, of course, is get a font that is actually not installed yet. So, for example, you could go to something like Google Fonts, which I have opened up over here in a separate tab, and you can find a font you want. I just found a completely random font over here, and I basically downloaded that to my computer. And what you have to do from there, you have to basically open it up and unzip it. So here I have my font, as you can see. I'm gonna click on it, right click, and I'm gonna do over here where it says extract all, and then click on extract. And this is going to basically create a new folder which doesn't have the zipper. Click on it, and then where you can see kind of your font name, and then it has like this icon and it's a .ttf. Double click it and just click on install up top. What this is going to do here is basically going to install this font onto your computer. Now, usually this takes a few seconds to actually load and stuff like that. So as you can see, it's installing right now. And there we go. As you can see, it's not supporting the preview. However, it looks like it's installed because it's done it. Now, if you go directly, so from you have to remember the name of this font. For example, this one is Rubik. So I'm gonna close this. There we go. And if I go in here and try to search for Rubik, it's not showing yet. And that is because usually to be able for this to take effect, you'll have to basically restart your program. So I'm gonna close this down, and I'm actually gonna not save it, and I'm gonna open it up again. So we have the Foxit PDF Editor. There we go. I'm going to open up the file. And here, let's just actually put in some more text, like in the typewriter. I'm just going to type in hello. Select that, go to the right hand side over here, and then inside the format you can see you have text style, and then here is where you can basically edit. So I'm going to actually look for Rubik now. Rubik, there we go. As you can see, it's over here. I can click on it, and I now have my new font which I have added to my computer directly over here inside my Foxit PDF editor. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.